Hello, viewers of Board Turtle of Middletown. This is the traveling smoke alarm kit from probably the 70's. And this is what came in it, apart from the casing and the, I actually really like the design on this kind of, well, it's not really a reusable box. It's a cardboard box that you're really supposed to throw away, but I'm going to choose not to. And then here's the detector itself. And I've tested that it does work, and it's very loud. But the light should blink once every minute. There it goes. Then there's the owner's manual, the survival guide, just a little thing about the battery, and a first alert stamp card. I think that's what you do to mail in orders. And then there's a little carrying case and some mounting hardware. But this was bought from a 3D in Tell City, Indiana. And I have no clue when, but I'd say it was probably made in the 70's, probably bought in the early 80's. I found it in my grandma's basement, so it's probably pretty old. And that's it. I will see you guys next time for my next video. And if you like it, leave a like and thank you.